How you doing back there?
I'm hanging in there. I'm more used to doing nothing. Doing a paint job.
You're used to a recliner.
Yeah. I should have brought it.
A yellow buckeye. You done?
Yeah. Look at you. You look sweaty now.
I am sweaty.
Oh man, how many miles into it now? About 10? 20?
I know.
What's this?
Sugar maple.
Sugar maple. Lick it. It don't look too sweet.
No, it's a little mossy to me.
Yeah. Oh man, look at that big hill. That's rough on the old man.
There's a hackberry.
Phew, I hope I make it to my birthday in the next few days. Huckleberry. Huckleberry ham? Hackberry. Whew. This may be it.
Huh?
I said, this may be it.
What do you mean?
I'm giving out.
Oh, you'll make it.
That's a big hill.
I know.
Watch that snake up ahead of you. Whew.
Well, you gonna stop up here and sit on something the rest of the minute, or keep going?
Nah, I'll make it.
All right.
What's this? Sweet
Another
birch.
sweet birch.
Everything's sweet up here, isn't it?
Yeah. That's first little flowers I sort of seen.
Well, it'd be downhill coming back. A squirrel? Where's 6? 6 what? I don't know. What? I'm not getting any oxygen to my brain. You don't want to trip here.
I can honestly say, I see why there's nobody on this one.
Yeah. No old people like us.
Well, you don't get too much further.
Yeah, that's steeper than it looks. Probably on camera. Yeah. I think all them paid jobs I've done for 40 some years catching up with me.
There's a bench up here.
A bench?
A bench.
Oh boy.
You want to sit on it?
You bet I do.
Okay.
Phew, I may have to lay on it. Oh, a bench out here in the middle of nowhere. They knew old people would need one about now.
Yeah.
Oh,
I hear voices.
oh,
Oh, it's better than I expected.
oh.
Oh, what do you think you're doing?
I'm gonna lay here and die right on your lap. Wake me up about an hour. What is that?
Oh, it says mocker nut hickory.
Mocker nut.
Thought it's the wrong thing.
Well,
It says hickory
wasn't-
wood was used to smoke pork and other meats.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever seen one of those.
Spider.
Well, what kind of spider?
A little spider with a stripe down his back, in yellow.
American holly.
Holly says stirring spoons were carved from this wood. She ain't much of a tree though, is he? I'm gonna get much fun out of that. No water.
No water. Yeah. We made it. Sourwood, no sweet?
No, it says honeybees make a highly prized light honey from sourwood flowers.
Oh,
I'm assuming
can't
that's
see
it. I'm guessing.
this is Fighting Creek Nature Trail.
Yeah, here's ironwood. It's used for tool handles, wedges, and sled runners.
Yeah, time we get through here, they may call it Crawling Creek.
We go pretty good.
Where you going?
Go that way. Jump over that mush and do like I did.
This'll work.
Okay.
If I don't slip. Here goes. I made it.
Hey, a white oak.
White oak. We got one of those in the yard. Several.
There's a rhododendron tree.
I can't even say that.
Rosebay rhododendron. What's that?
Feels good.
I was like, there is a cabin at the end of this.
Good. This must be the place. Since there's no other place around the place, I reckon this must be the place.
All right, pretty sure.
That's what Curly said. Yeah, this is the place. Mountain Laurel.
How you folks doing
Oh,
today?
give me that. Well,
Well, take it easy.
You need to put a bell on you. Yeah, reckon we can spend the night here.
It doesn't have an air conditioner, I'm not saying.
They don't even have a window, does it? Yeah, it's got a window.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Bob was here.
I've seen that before.
Yeah. Bob probably stay home next time. Anybody home?
Yeah,
There is?
yeah.
Yeah,
It's got some issues. It's got some holes in the walls.
yeah. Let's let the flies out.
Vandalism all the way up here and doing nothing.
This might be a big city once.
I mean, my gosh, you're not even near a creek here.
Yeah, Bob took the sign.
Whew, can't wait till I'm more.
Yeah, we can stay in here. Floor's a little loose.
Yeah. Not much of a chimney out here either.
Might have to put a rock or two under it. Yeah, I think it's gonna leak too if it rains.
Kind of looks that way down there.
But it'll run out the floor, so it's no big deal. There's a creek.
Yeah.
Get down there and get you a drink.
Now I better stick my feet in it. Because if my feet was cool, the rest of me would be alright, I think.
That's probably where they got their water.
Probably in that better times it was fuller. It's probably out in the middle of nothing, ain't it?
Yep. Get a hold of my belt and pull me up. You're younger than me.
This would be the worst of it right here.
Well, you hope so?
I do hope so.
Maybe this is where it'll end. That's a big hill. Whew, too many paint jobs. I'm making it.
Hear me?
What?
Bench. You want to sit a minute?
Yeah, we might ought to.
Number 10.
Oh, we're 10?
Yeah. 4 in November. That puts me down to 7. I have 2 scheduled for December. That puts me down to 5. So I basically have a whole week left.
Yeah.
But I saved them in case of sick days.
I don't know what she's talking about.
Well,
Is that another hill I see?
another hill you see.
Whew. This may be it. We see.
I've been taking some pictures of some flowers here and there.
Oh yeah.
You can add those to your whatever.
Watch it.
I
Step.
haven't seen a lot of flowers.
Look way down there. Where was that?
Yeah. Way down there.
Way down. That's where the water's at too. Next time, we won't forget about the water. Smell good?
I can't really smell much.
There's a bug right there. Smell that bug.
He could be a stink bug.
He could.
That thing's got some strange bark.
I didn't hear it.
Kind of looks like shingle on a roof, don't it?
Yeah. There's 14. We're getting there. There's that tree. We made it around the loop. We're still alive.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, you can do that. Go ahead.
I think you really was supposed to cut through there. But that
It's
was...
flooded.
I know.
Yeah, there's your shot.
Yeah. I know.
Come on, you can do it.
That's mud, Jeffrey.
Come on. Let's go for it.
Shut up. Almost got my foot.
You made it.
Miracles. Yeah, look at you. Put it on the middle one. You don't want to be on that one.
I want it the hard way.
I know.
I made it. Whew. Nice looking bear you got there.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
It's like Watson's Labradoodle, isn't it?
Yes, he is.
We got it. My daughter's got a Labradoodle too. Big baby.
Yeah. We made it back. I knew I could, but I didn't know if you could.
Really?
Yeah.
Who was it who said leave me by our else? Who was that person?
I just had to get my second wind.
Okay. It tells, oh, that's the Ownby cabin.
Yeah. Well, we made it. It's a good, easy trail, wasn't it? No problem at all.
One way, 30 minutes. Moderate.
It's unattended.
We'll try it. All right, that one seems stiffer. That one was too. So you want Dr. Pepper?
Yeah. Cold one.
Oh, let's put the change in there.
Step back here.
Hold that. Real dark cloud over our head.
Yeah. There's no time for a mask on them trails.
Smoky.
Yeah, now we get the guide if we get back. We made it back to the car. Didn't think we'd make it, did we?
Papa didn't think we'd make it either.
Yeah, I didn't have no trouble. You had a little bit of trouble going up them hills. Yeah, them some big hills. Whew. Yeah.
That back there.
Let's go take a shower.
Yeah, good vibrations from 66. You got it on the 60s on stage. Haven't seen John.
Yep. Well, we got in the car just exactly the right time. Here comes the rain.
Why does it matter?
Well, we had some soap. We could take our shower.
She climbed into the spider monkey exhibit at the El Paso Zoo.
Yeah.
She hand-fed
Well, we'll come back sometime. Where are you going?
Just one way.
That's the way we're going.
Yeah.